Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to embed a YouTube video on Squarespace step by step. First, open the video you want to embed on YouTube. Below the video player on the bottom right, you'll see a share button. Click that. A share menu will pop up with a copy link button. Click copy link, and the video's URL is now copied to your clipboard. The URL might look like youtube.com/watch or youtube.be. Either format works perfectly. Next, head over to your Squarespace site and navigate to the page where you want the video to appear. At the top left of the page, click the Edit button. This puts the page into edit mode so you can add content blocks. Now you need to add a video block. Hover over the section where you want the video, and you'll see a plus button appear. Click that plus button, then select Video from the block menu. A video block will appear on your page with the pencil icon on it. Click the pencil icon to open the block editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a plus sign. Click that, then select Add from Link. A field labeled Video URL will appear. Now, paste your YouTube URL into that video URL field. Press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Once you paste it, you'll see a thumbnail preview appear showing where your video will display on the page. When you're done, click outside the block editor or hit the Done button to close it. Squarespace auto-saves your changes, so the video is now embedded on your page. The video will play directly on your site with the YouTube player, no coding required. If you want to add a custom thumbnail image, title, or description to the video, just click the pencil icon again, and you'll see those options in the editor. One thing to note, unlisted YouTube videos can be embedded just fine, but private videos won't work. And that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.